the other, so far to find a way.
क्योंकि जरूरत के ज्यादातर सामान पर अब से
I see in future how much you are scaling right now.
So, if you ask me, the plant is going to come in September 2026 with a capacity of.
Hey everyone, good morning all of you. Today is 25th September 2025 and today is very special day because from today International Trade Show is going to start and this is a 4 days 25th to 29 and today is first day. So I am also going for that. In Greater Noida there is one expo mart, so it is going to happen there and it is 5 minutes walking distance from me. So I'm quite excited for this because first time I'm going to see the International Trade Show live. And there a lot of people is going to come, basically a lot of businessmen, a lot of business icons are going to come, and I've also heard that Prime Minister is also coming there. So I'm going for that and I'm quite excited for this, and also I'll try to film it whatever I'll see there. And right now it's around 9 a.m. Within 1 hour we will go there. Me and one of my friends are going there, and many of you guys might be thinking how you can go there. So see, it's a 4 days show, and if you want to go there, just go on this URL, register here. I'll mention link in the description, and after that you'll get a pass like this. Like this is mine, I got from that website. They sent me on email after filling that form, and this batch we have to show there, and then only they will allow us to enter there. So if you want to come for this Expo Mart, register on this. I'll mention link in the description. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start. So I'm starting my journey for today's destination by walking on roads because firstly I have to go to take my friend and then I will go there together. So guys, finally Harsh came, founder of Eisen Management. So Harsh, where are we going?
We are heading towards Indian Expo Mart.
Okay, what is there today?
We have to close certain deals.
What type of deals?
We have to deal in fabric, trade,
Okay.
and we came to know about the UP businesses.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me about little bit this international show, what's going on there and who's coming today? What's special today?
So our honorable Prime Minister
What
and
is-
our honorable Prime Minister and the Chief Minister of UP
Okay.
is coming today
Uh-huh.
to inaugurate this event with their delightful words.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah guys, see you there. After walking almost 10 minutes, we reached at gate number 9 at Expo Mart. And firstly, we will have to go and collect our badge, means that iCard. After that, we will be allowed everywhere. We are going for that first.
Yeah.
So guys, we are going for to collect our badge.
Yeah, from
physical
gate number
badge.
3.
Yeah, because after that we will be allowed everywhere.
And we will show you the everything from there.
Yes. Finally, we got our physical badge. Now we are going to start the exploration that we came for. So stay tuned.
साथियों, हमारे यहाँ गांव की अर्थव्यवस्था में ट्रैक्टर की बड़ी भूमिका है। 2014 से पहले एक ट्रैक्टर खरीदने पर
This was very long speech of Prime Minister. Basically, he was talking about why you should invest in Indian market in front of international investor or trader, because a lot of international people, businessmen were there. Here, a lot of VIPs and VVIPs were coming. A lot of ministers were there, but we couldn't meet with them because nobody knows us actually. Now we are heading towards main area, the main section, but this is the hall where we were for a long time. Everywhere is very high security, and this is the poster of this UP International Trade Show 2025. So guys, a lot of securities are everywhere. And one thing we noticed here, Hers, you tell what notice we noticed here.
What we noticed is अगर पढ़ा लिखा कोई साइंटिस्ट है, the guys are just driving a nano car.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे कोई अनपढ़ प्रधान है, he is using a fortune. When you know जो एक मिनिस्टर है उसके पास 5-5 कॉन्वॉय 5-5 सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स आ रहे हैं.
Right.
और जो पढ़ा लिखा है वो सिर्फ पैदल अभी घूम रहे हैं कितने.
After watching those all VIPs and ministers, we started going the main section, the main area where all stalls are situated.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far is the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
After exploring decor section, I entered to my favorite section, which is tech zone. Here I found one interesting company called Bayug, and I also got a chance to talk with one of her, I think, co-founders she was. So I talked with her. Let me show you the conversation about her company. Firstly, you just explain all the product.
This bus on the wheels is an exhibition concept wherein this bus goes from city to city creating an awareness about PLA. PLA, that is bioplastic made out of sugarcane or pure sugar.
So how you came with this idea? What's the need in society in
So
surrounding?
basically this is a forward integration of Balrampur Cheese Limited. We are second largest sugar manufacturing company with 10 sugar manufacturing locations situated across Uttar Pradesh. So considering sugar being an our product, we decided to forward integrate into something which will create an impact for a greener society and sustainability, and that is why we decided we forward integrate into bioplastic, that is polymer.
So are you seeing future, or how much you are scaling right now?
So if you ask me, the plant is going to come in September 2026 with a capacity of 80,000 metric tons per annum, and it is going to come in Kundi.
And so these products from Manas.
Yeah, so these are all products which looks like they are made of plastic, but these are made out of bioplastics. Yeah, these are 100% compostable. These are 100% recyclable. अगर आप recycling की बात करते हैं तो इसको हम लोग मैकेनिकली रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि सारे पॉलीमर्स होते हैं। ये केमिकली भी रिसाइकल होगा, और ये हम लोग इसको डिकम्पोज करके इसको फर्टिलाइजर्स और यूरिया में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। तो जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि ये एक नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है जो कि नेचुरल रॉ मटेरियल से बना हुआ है, तो अगर ये धरती में भी जाता है तो ये धरती को कोई नुकसान नहीं करेगा।
Okay, thank you.
So yeah guys, this was small conversation with her, and from last 20 minutes we were inside this bus and we were talking there. So let's explore even more further. Now it was evening 4 p.m. and we are about to end our today's exploration because we did a lot of stuff, and before that we thought to do lunch because we were quite hungry. So yeah guys, this is all about this video. Right now it's 4 p.m. and we came here around 11 a.m. We are here since long, and finally I'm wrapping up this video here.
Yeah, we come to know about lots of good connections, and we explore the different categories too in tech, AI, automation, what's Indian government are doing here. And I will advise who are watching this video, you must have to come to see this event. This event is at Greater Noida, but nearby Pari Chowk. Yeah, that's all.
Guys, we explored a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
This is all about this video.
Now
this
our phone-
international show is get to know for the first time this much, and also there were a lot of international traders, shopkeepers with their international product. We see a lot of things. We saw a lot of things. You should come here because you will get to know a lot of things for the first time, and we enjoyed a lot. So
we definitely enjoyed a lot, and if you will visit here, then you will get to know about the trending topic, trending AI too, and what are the technologies are going in and happening in India. So according to this event, I will say that India is having a good opportunity, but if you wait for the perfect opportunity, then you will lose it. Then keep working, keep learning the new things.
with these words, I'm wrapping this video here.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this, make sure to press that like button.
Personal like button and press on the bell icon for a daily update and notification from Minhas channel.
Thank you.